If you're still spending hours writing blog posts and articles from scratch, you're burning time and profit. In this video, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to automate your content creation process without sacrificing quality. Whether you're a solopreneur, content manager, or trying to grow a brand, this system can save you hours every week. So what exactly is ChatGPT good at? Think idea generation, outlining, long-form drafting, and rewrites. But the real value unlocks when you treat ChatGPT like a writing partner, not a magic button. Here's the system to make that happen. Start with a strategy, not a prompt. Before opening ChatGPT, define your goal. Who's the article for? What's the outcome? Do you want to rank on Google, answer a question, or convert readers? Once you're clear, move on. Now give ChatGPT real context. Don't just say write a blog post. Instead, brief it like a content strategist. Ask it to act as a senior blog writer. Define the audience. Clarify the tone and goal. You'll get back strategic content, not fluff. Then, have it create headlines and outlines before diving into a full draft. This keeps the structure strong and avoids wandering content. If the outline isn't quite right, refine it. Guide ChatGPT like a junior writer on your team. When it's time to write, do it in sections. Start with the intro, review it, tweak it, then move to the first body section. Smaller chunks give better results and make your edits faster. Once you've got a solid draft, add your own flavor. Inject personal stories or examples. Better yet, feed those stories to ChatGPT and ask it to weave them in. This makes your article feel human, not robotic. Next, format it for publishing. Ask ChatGPT to clean up structure, subheads, short paragraphs, bulleted lists. If you're posting to WordPress or Notion, request Markdown formatting. Then get a meta description and a social teaser written at the same time. Now you're ready to repurpose. Drop the finished article back into ChatGPT and say, turn this into a LinkedIn post, then a tweet thread, then YouTube titles. One article just became a full week of content. Want to go further? Use tools like Notion AI for workspace writing. Try AI PRM or SEO AI for optimized prompts. Surfer Sue helps you rank. ZimWriter automates bulk content. Grammarly or Hemingway polish the tone. VoicePen transforms video or audio into blog drafts. Build your stack once and scale it forever. Here's how to start. Outline a single article. Feed ChatGPT the brief. Co-write it in parts. Format and polish. Then repurpose it into multiple content pieces. This is how modern creators scale without burning out. Want to create your own AI-powered voiceovers? Check out 11 Labs using the link below. Yes, it's an affiliate. It helps support the channel. Subscribe to Automation Ace and get your time back, one system at a time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and automation hacks. See you in the next one.